Hello everyone, my name is Jayshankar and today I am going to discuss trophic levels and energy flows. Trophic levels are stages in an ecosystem that represent the flow of energy and nutrients through different groups of organisms. Each level corresponds to a group that plays a specific role in the food chain. Producers, Trophic level 1. These are plants, algae, and other autotrophs that produce their own food through photosynthesis or chemosynthesis, forming the foundation of the ecosystem's energy. Primary consumers, Trophic level 2. Herbivores that feed on producers. Examples include rabbits, deers, and insects. Secondary consumers, Trophic level 3. Carnivores or omnivores that eat primary consumers. For example, frogs or small predators like foxes. Tertiary consumers, Trophic level 4. Top predators that consume secondary consumers like eagles or sharks. You can also call them apex predators. Decomposers, not classified in specific levels, these organisms, like fungi and bacteria, break down dead matter and recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. Energy flow. Energy flow in an ecosystem refers to the transfer of energy from one organism to another through the food chain. This one way energy flow through the ecosystem ensures that organisms depend on each other for survival. We also need to understand the 10% rule. So here's how it works. Whenever energy moves from one organism to another, only 10% of the energy gets passed on. The rest it's lost as heat or used up for daily life activities like moving, growing, or just staying alive. For example, when a rabbit eats a plant, it only gets 10% of the plant's energy. Then, if the fox eats the rabbit, then the fox gets only the 10% of the rabbit's energy. This means energy keeps shrinking as it moves up the food chain. That's why ecosystems need a lots of plants at the bottom to support the fewer animals at the top. To understand these, we must also understand food chains and food webs. A food chain is a simple linear sequence that shows how energy and nutrients flow from one organism to another in an ecosystem. It follows a single pathway starting from producers like plants and moving through various consumers like herbivores, carnivores, etc. until it reaches the top predator. A food web, on the other hand, is more complex and realistic. It shows multiple interconnected food chains in an ecosystem, representing how different organisms consume various others. In a food web, a single organism may have multiple predators and prey, highlighting the intricate relationships within the ecosystem. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.